Okay, what we have here is 6 fire hardened and waxed, furniture wax, bamboo darts, and we have 6 regular bamboo darts. And we're going to fire them here and measure the penetration into the target. Alright, just to see if there's any difference. Oh, shoot. Okay, well, there's our darts. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to mark each of them with a Sharpie. I guess we could pull the ones out. That, by the way, was at 30 feet. Oh, well, there's no way of telling on that one. Okay. Which is okay because one of the unhardened, unboiled ones. Okay. So let us do a measurement. I see what we have here. Oh, that one blunted pretty badly. In fact, well, 2 out of 5 blunted badly. If we can get the other one that bounced off and didn't penetrate, it also blunted pretty badly. Okay, so to remove the blunted one, we obviously don't have a measurement on that. And what do we have here? We have, well, 1.5 inch penetration. Oh. Even on the blunted one, we have still 1.5 inches. Oh, that one has 2.5 inches, and that's one that did not blunt. This one, well, only a 1/4 inch of penetration. And this one, 1 inch. Okay. I'm going to remail. There's one we forgot to mark on the darkened ones. What will we have here is 1.5 inches on the first hardened and waxed. Oh, 1 inch. And the next hardened and waxed. Another 1 inch. Inch and a half. Inch and a half. So what it seems is that the waxing and fire hardening, other than none of the tips blunted on the fire hardened ones, didn't matter at all when it came to penetration. Okay, thank you very much for my little experiment. I'm glad you were here with me. Have a good day.